Hi all. Here's a tool I picked up on sale. Got it at Tractor Supply. Normally $20, got it for $11.99. It's a C-clamp. Pretty cool. Dewalt 12-inch C-clamp locking pliers. C-clamp locking pliers. Number DWH T75842. Lifetime warranty. Is he Townsend, Missouri? Made in Taiwan. Okay. Oh man. Oh, this. It's been sitting in my basement for a while. Starting to rust. Everything rusts down here, so let's see how wide this goes. Okay, so that's as wide as she goes. So that's about 3.5 inches. Let's see, what can we grab here? Cool. Four inches. Won't quite go that far. That'll come in handy. Okay. Nice to have. I had a few small ones years ago, but they all rusted up. I'm going to have to oil this one down so it don't rust down here. Okay. See ya. Bye.